That means that Veo 3 can generate sound effects, background sounds, and dialogue. Now you prompt it, and your characters can speak. Take a listen.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
Oh, what manner of magic is that?
Pretty cool, right? Veo added not just the sounds of the forest, but also the dialogue.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Starting today, Gemini Live capabilities are free and rolling out across Android and iOS.